Data security really is the foundation of what we do to protect and secure Grand Canyon education and safeguard the data we've been entrusted with for our customers.
Prior to this relationship with Varonis, we didn't really have the visibility that we needed into Active Directory and identity or our unstructured data. We were blind to a lot of things with user behavior, so we needed something that would give us that visibility into all those things.
The impact of Varonis has been huge because it helped us to understand and articulate the problems we had with unstructured data and identities, to resolve those problems using both that intelligence and automation. And it helped us to really be able to automate and enforce things we never want to happen.
Cleaning up our unstructured data before Varonis, it was impossible. It just wasn't going to happen. We couldn't see it, we couldn't fix it. It would take too much time to go in as a manual look and search. Varonis gave us visibility into everything that these accounts were accessing so that we could move it without causing a disruption.
We can use tools that interact with our identities, that interact with our unstructured data, that look at how people interact with sensitive data in unstructured environments. And we can alert on the things that are abnormal. We can protect against the things we don't want to occur. And we can use intelligence to clean up high-risk situations so that when and if an adversary gets a foothold, what they can do with that foothold is reduced.
Having Varonis has given me the visibility that I've needed to be able to address all the issues that I didn't even know were there.
We have to assume that adversaries will get into our environments at least some of the time. Varonis allows us to understand what exists, plan out what we want to exist in our environment, and enforce the rules that we want to enforce.